Okay, breaking down his head, I'm thinking just like I draw the planes of the head, and you can see that exercise in the drill section. And starting with the circle, when I looked at his eyes, I just felt like there's a real arc towards them. I'm starting just to build up my shapes. Again, not worrying about details. We don't want to focus on details right now. Just start blocking in those shapes. Even here, I'm just drawing a circle just to help me find that nose shape, and then I can start to pull the muzzle out. And of course, I'm starting to exaggerate things, but I'm also keeping in mind what we're learning in the caricature section in regards to just playing around with your quadrants. And once you've started to establish this becomes the main frame. Again, I don't want to make everything just so even in the design like I showed above there. Now I can start thinking about the muscles. So the muscles are going to start coming afterwards. The lips are going to start coming afterwards. And notice how even just playing around with angles of the lips and not making them perfectly symmetrical is going to give your drawing just a lot more life. And that's the whole point. Look at the direction of the neck. It's a tube coming out there, and that skin is like sheets wrapping around that neck. So just following the form and the direction. What I like you to do is practice drawing this guy. You can put it on pause and see what you come up with, and just, have a lot of fun, experiment.